Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about the keshpallav hair oil. I've already made a full review video on this product, but now I guess it's been 9 months since I uploaded that video, and you guys have tons of questions regarding this product. So yeah, in today's video I'm just gonna answer your queries, your questions, and yeah, if you're interested then please keep on watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as it means a hell lot to me. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so coming to the product, this is actually my second bottle and I have almost finished it. Like it's almost empty now, and I have used 2 bottles of this product, to be very honest. And here are my unfiltered review about this product, because it's been 9 months since I started using this product and I'm still using it. So here is my actual experience with the product, and this is not a sponsored video at all. This is my real experience, this is the real condition of my hair. And yeah, okay, so the first question that I usually get is this product helpful in reducing hair fall? And coming from my own experience, yes. In the first video itself I have said that this product really helped me in reducing my hair fall. I was having serious hair fall issues those days, and that was because I was trying so many new hair care products, and it literally made my hair fall a lot, and this was the savior for me. This actually helped me in reducing my hair fall. So yes, for hair fall this definitely works. At least for my hair it has worked wonderful. So the next question that I get is it really helpful in regrowing your hair? Okay, so in my previous video I already stated that it was just 3 months or 2 months since I started using this oil, so I wasn't sure enough about whether it will help me in regrowing my hair or not. But now it's been 9 months, and let me tell you, yes, it does help in regrowing your hair, but you need to do some few steps extra. But yes, it has helped. I do have some baby hairs, and trust me, I didn't had any. Previously I didn't had any, and now I at least have few hair strands here and there like baby hair, and previously I didn't have any baby hair at all. So yes, it has definitely helped me in regrowing my hair, not to a great extent, but yes, it is showing its result slowly and gradually. So for me it has worked well. The next question that I usually get is this helpful with gray hair? Like, if you have gray hair, is it helpful? Then for me, I still can't answer that question because I don't even have gray hairs, so I can't tell you whether it will help you with your gray hair or not. But overall this is a very decent product, and I actually liked using it. And the thing is, if you are being consistent with using any product, whether it is a skincare or hair care product, it will eventually show you the results. And for me, this has actually shown me good results. Okay, so the only con that I feel about this product is that it smells. I still can't apply it on my head and go to sleep because the smell is that strong. I usually apply this in the daytime for an hour, and then I rinse my hair or I just shampoo my hair, because the smell is so strong that if you have migraine or you are prone to getting headaches very frequently, this isn't going to help. This is going to trigger that. So keep that thing in mind, because it does have a very pungent kind of smell, and I really don't like it. But overall, if you ask me whether it is a decent product or not, whether you should invest your money in this or not, then I would say yes, please give it a shot. Don't be in a rush. Use it for 3 months consistently without judging the product, and then compare the results 3 months before and 3 months after, and then you can eventually see whether this product has worked or not. And everything takes time to work. So yeah, for me it is a very good product. You should definitely invest your money in this one. And also, this wasn't a sponsored video, so yeah.